morning guys, hello baby here. Welcome on today's videos are very special. And right now guys, I'm on this tarmac road here heading this way. Actually I'm so late. I need to catch up with the guy of tippers. So I want some construction material, so I'm too late guys. Maybe this could be crazy videos. I'm running heading this way, you know, with my gumboots guys. Let's go and see, you know. Yeah, this could be the craziest videos ever. And we are heading to Migori, so I need to meet with the guy. So probably the good thing about me, when I'm buying material, I go direct, you know, to the place where we bought material. So I choose this and this, and I have already talked with my engineer at Joffa right here. Imagine where I left my bike, you know, something crazy. So no Samaritan here guys, but let's go. I'm so late at the carpooling here. That's Maze Con, you know. First time see hello baby running. Guys, please make sure you give this video a like, comment, and also share. Let me know in the comment section, what do you mean, what do you think I mean on these videos, you know. Imagine I'm still running. I'm in Mabera town right now. Something crazy. Whoa. Yeah, let's go. Oh my god. No good Samaritan here guys. But anyway, let's go. I'm still going, you know. I'm struggling to make sure that I build my own dream house in the village. Okay, let's go. Whew. Look man, I'm running, I'm joking man. All right. Yeah, it's a bit distance, but there's a struggle here. Whoa, I need somebody else to block him, like, bro, put me there. Wow, that's how my on today's video starts, running. Yeah, nice house on this side, you can tell. Yeah. I'm still going. That's how Mabera town looks like. Whew. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Today is a calm day, but after a few minutes it wanna start raining. I'm looking somebody to block it. Whew. Let's go. Right. Okay guys, sometimes it's good. Let me check my phone. First things, check my phone. Well, it's okay, and then let's go. 20. There's a stagnant water here where they throw rubbish. Imagine. I see the tippers. Oh, look at that. There's a station, petrol station filling right here. And I normally, you know, back here I came for the gym, fitness within here. Anyway, let's go. Oh my god. See, that's how Mabera looks like. Yeah. The gamboot's so heavy, but I will manage to go. You see guys how I struggle even to look or to find the guy with tippers in Mabera, you know. Hey, this is crazy. I think I'm running up on the other side, you know. Wow, let's go. Okay. These videos could be crazy, you know. Yeah. Okay. That's incorrect. I think I'm dealing with this company, John X company in Mabera. Right. Sorry. Maha, itipa ne hayo giburu. Damanga kuma kutipa ne hayo. On tore ho, ndadi ngen kore pe, so on tana masini. Ai simina rat. So itipa I'm dealing with this company here. Also it has a grader. Look, village dog. Anyway, let's go. That's how Mabera looks like. Finally I found my neighbor, and then he's supporting to me, you know, right here. Right. You see man can't get magutakato. Yeah guys, I see the tippers right there, man. Anyway, that's all. Yeah, we must look. No side mirror, bro. Yeah, this is crazy. Oh my god, this is crazy. I am watching ko jande ko hamsini kule mzuri tapiki simu moteja na rakurus. I need these tippers guys here. Yeah. Ikiremo. Aye. Guys, you know, look, tippers running crazy. Oh, Adore. Wagwan man.
How are you?
You have lunch?
I have my lunch.
Yeah, this is a real hustle, guys. Look, men having lunch. So it's time to go. Tomanyere. Ekawaida. Ekawato na rate mbaka top notch. Alright. If you remember this tipper, guys, I will deal it till when I finish my mama construction. Right. Let's go. Woo! Tadi no ati. No nende kara no mo. Mura ni ate mi video mo. Kara di ko. Ay. Kisikia hivi. Magana iko tapo ko. Kara choko ni kibi. Iya. Hakuna mbili ndio fongo. Ngoko yo sedang ngora-ngora. Duan tadi no bakar dulu sekali. Kau di Cina ada nawa. Di Cina. Joko hai. Pundi original. Hey, kan orang hagas. So here we go. So guys, finally I found my driver right here. Nani apa kali motor ragara. Sasa kurangere mdogo wote wote meresimu kwa sababu watu mkimateka we hapo sana hapo kwa nani aliko kwa ranchi kwa kwa kipere mpaka nyene hai ndio tutigire kwa ajili ya ametoka kwa ndo bado tuliko baligande kwa kama naona mko kijiji Yes, people from church. Look, I think there's a wedding here or what? Yeah, this is a church. Makambi. Cool down, bro. Woo. Ani go bena tu kubiro kutora ya. Tare ne ba to meri paisa nuri jodi. Oh. Wiki kira chikane bakka icho. Ne kali hari ngara ka sini ya taro aju. I think guys also this is a hostel here. Santa Diva in Mabera. Look, nice gate, man. Whatever. Hey. So guys, maybe we shall meet at construction place where we are going to buy materials. So guys, right now we are in Migori town. So this is the entrance of Migori town. That's how I struggle. Little, I'll build mama house. Hey, saya bakal bimbing ni. Cino, dan kau marah pada. That's Florence Restaurant or Hotel right here. You're approaching good. Kanyora, mga nangku. So right now guys, we are approaching Migori town. Yeah. Making beds here, you can't tell. Look, big furniture. So that's how Migori looks like. Man, clothes are hanging outside. You can see. Why not magali kulipo ka lahat? Life Care Hospital right here. Open Araki? New, brand new. So right now we are in Migori town. Look at that. That's Migori town. Guys, I normally eat here at Hotel Nas, right here. But I miss that place. It's been a while. You know. So we're fully outside. Nice apartment. You know. Down here, this is River Migori. It's running. Oh my god. So we're still moving on. Business outside. Sono molto ragazzi di Hupukon. Ora tá com bem bem. É monstro manda de boa. É a tua me com kukate mora. Ora tá no yem que kota igu itingotore. I see Count's watch right now. What are the currency? That's a Count watch. Right there. Right. Also guys, I want to share with you a nice shop in Migori where I normally bought my phone. You know, known as I think Fancy Supermarket. That's the biggest supermarket that we have in Migori County, right here. Oh, like that. Kibandas in our village. Look at that. Alright guys, we're still going. Look. So we are on the village. Alright. People are mining stones and then crashing. Balance stones. Na magana ba koreta sikere. Na magana ba koreta bahati ya guy. Afadhali anukuri kungu. Boom. Dachengo le peskeri mianda nyonga. So we need to pick some balance stones here. Amen. Wagwan man. Don't take a U-turn. And then going reverse. It's around guys, it's around 14:57 my local time. Whoa. Today's a big day for my mama. Imagine all the way from Nyabanse village to Mabera, from Mabera to Migori, looking for the material construction. So that being said, more blessings are coming. It's by God's grace. I was running. It's crazy. So did the balance. There's balance. Okay, guys. Acha weke matawi bwana. Na ni safi. Oh my God. So this balance, they need job. Woo. Guys, let me show you. They're mining here. We have a lot. This is a goat. Anyway, this is crazy. People are blessed, man. So they are mining stones here, crushed from here, taking with a wheelbarrow to other side. Hapa ndo mnatoa mawe. Look. Oh my God. Let me go this way. Some, yeah. Huh? Morning to you. You want to say hello? Come you greet my people. So, kuja karibu. Guys, there's a little girl here. They see me and then say hello to you. Say morning.
Morning.
Yes. What's your name?
My name is Agnes.
Agnes Wakot Abek.
Grade. Or
Agnes
Ravoga.
Ravoga.
Yes.
Alright guys, I'm in Migo right now. So I will face, you know, look, big rocks from here. Also they are mining rocks here, crashing into, you know, balance stones, and then for us we just, you know, mining soil for the construction. So look, something good here, good stuff. Yeah, even the house have been built by stones. Man, look, it's remind me, there's a day I watched some videos from Philippines. People build a house like this, also in Chinese, mostly in deep village. Hapa ndo wanatoa mawe. Hapa ndo wanatoa mawe. Hii ni kanisa. Hapa ndo mnaishi. Oh, okay. Oh, hiyo ni nyumba ya mtu? Oh, I'm asking her, is that a people's home? Yeah, they are using this wheelbarrow. Right, let me show you guys. Nimeona hapa ndo nitakuwa nakuja. Koto safi. Koto ni safi. Haina kuna siku nimechukua huko ng'ambo. Na matope kweli. Oh, ile ya matope. Ni kama hii tu. Kwa mjiko moja kwa watu. Sasa enda mbele. Wewe piga mbele na ule jamaa. Kubali. Alright guys, we clear everything. You see? Look at that. Inside. Wow. These are serious work. And then I'll take it back to my home for building my mama dream house. Takarekera mama. Tiambia kuya hari. Udona maso. I'm telling you, you must be very strong, have and then a bigger muscle. But we're not working with muscles here. You're working with the, intelligence, IQ. Yes. What happened? Huh? Imagine guys, we're watching these videos when we just pack our lorry. We see a lot of balance here, but right now we clear everything. I like that. So that's the good thing about me. I just come to the site, we collect everything, and then deliver it back home. Like no cornering guys. So I show you, this is a series from A to Z, from A to Z. I like that. Men at work. Now, alright guys, 20. Right, alright. Chapa guys. Whew. Alright guys, look at that. I was parking my bike at one of the restaurants where my engineer working, and I just keep moving on, So probably, maybe the intro will see me with my engineer, and then from that, I went to Migori, and then from Migori to another, village to pick those stuff, like material stuff. So right now, people will wonder, baby, right now we just pull up on your motorbike. So, guys, I don't want to drive a lot on the road. We shall meet at home. So I need to meet that guy with truck. Stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, I meet them. You see right here. I take my materials home for my mama dream house. Look at that. Hey, wagwan. Here we go. Yeah guys, thank you everybody who's supporting me, watching my videos. Thank you a million times. May God bless you. Look at that. So because of dust, I need to be ahead of them. Right? I left them right there. I just ran out because of dust, man. You know. There's a church right here. So, oh man, dust affects me a lot, you know. But it is what it is. So, I'm rushing home to show them where they'll put that stuff. Well, that's material construction. Yeah. So I know most of you are waiting this day. Yeah. Watch my videos. I'm still purchasing materials. When materials ready or when I'm done with material, I will say, guys, now I'm done. Have fun, really. Alright. So guys, we shall meet home. Stay tuned. Alright guys, I'm just back home and there's some trees there I need to remove it. That's too more to take care. Mama Tapara 15. Yeah. Imeteke harige gari. Ekogoto. Tafari mbakichonkyo. Ngonde. Right, let's go. That's my brother. Say hello.
Hello.
Yes guys. So imagine since morning I haven't taken anything. So I just go, I wait the guy for the truck. But you know, I'm not only the person like, you know, need material. Other people need. So I need like to hijack them. Put them there. Yeah man. Try it there. So I need to show you guys. I see the road is coming. Yeah. Them give you to the heart. Yeah man. Our car are grazing there. Mahatabin. Hey. Mbakicho saa 12. Hey, chonkyo amabroka atika sekere. So I see my road there. I see some people need job here, but I told them by tomorrow. You never know. Yeah, Icho. Right. Let me see where they can put those stuff. Yes, I think they're coming, man. I'm so happy. But other people in my village here, they are purely jealous, greedy. But I don't care. My work is to work and go. I need to build you know, a house in Kenya here to precise Nyabansa village to the world. Yo man, look at that. You know, it's coming, man. What do I am? Right. Look at that, man. What a blessed day, man. Yeah, me, I'm just working so hard like a donkey. And I need to see them. Like to show them how to put that stuff. Right. Maybe Han. Hanu chibro kuncha chibe ho. Wege ko mai homo hara ko sehan.
No ngoitera pukongo.
Tutambe home hara. Matiga iga alingage home hara.
Enda mbele. Enda kwenda.
Bora hara na side uwe. Iya. Hare side tere ba hare mur. Kana hayo mur.
Ngoja.
Kwa sababu ina kuhishida. Uruche next match muche. Kana wonsongo te mande hansi. Makuru kumko atacha hara.
Hai side tere hane ufight.
Me habiske beho.
Koto ndo kumu hana.
Hai. Monsemon. Nerabe sao.
Si to mo ari mer hane homi. Niracha moyonge.
What if ayiga alinge ke na kuyiga so ke alinge ake home han. Mora kwani gari tera to chukuru han. Kwani asana honsu na hai. Oh, people need job here to scan nature. Let's see by tomorrow. Tomorrow. Yeah, mbuya gere. Uroru icho nkyo. We have another guy right there. They need job, but I told them maybe by tomorrow. Who knows? You know. Maybe I could wake up and then I found myself die. You never know. But I saw that energy go far away. And out to never hara. Maybe help. Can I answer to to Mamma Hetata Big? Maga happened. Utigara Achana Magano Homa. My home hand. Wakimutaya iga ulingi ko home han. Yeah.
So, puja.
Yeah. Igahi.
Pakilale, ona. Mmoja kanyaga hapo.
Kasu mambe yaende tu. Control him. Mutigara mama rahetani si material. I'm telling you, villagers are witness, you know, from different angles. Look at that! Come on! Listen!
Shusha!
One to Bahera. So Mama, she was witness here, this first material. Like, I mean, in terms of, you know, balance, that's number one. Ano hari se mo mara het. Right. So it's time to pay them money and then go. A trip like this goes to $150. I'm telling you. Guys, I'm sharing with you this price. Trip like that, $150. That's 15,000 Kenyan shillings. Right, I say thank you because they deliver material. Yeah, that's my family. Say hello. Hello. Say hello, Mama. Hello. I said twice. You see, guys, my family are very happy. Say both of you say hello.
Hello.
Hey. They are happy. Guys, I'm sharing with you this prize. If maybe one of you maybe have a land in Africa or anything, right here, this balance, it goes to 15,000 Kenyan shillings. That's $150. This one. And I imagine since morning I wake up early in the morning, I found that Rory. Too late. But I never give up. I wait them until when I catch up them, like hijacking them because they're working on other sites. I said, no, bro, bring here. You know. This step number one, only God who know. I just work so hard and I want to say thank you so much for those people who watching my videos, motivates me, supports me, in other way, watching my videos, supporting me in financial way, my God bless you. My God bless you. And also, yeah, that's a massive. Thank you so much, Mom. My God bless you abundantly. Made my dream come to reality. So I'm just over here, you know, sand there, stones there, balance. But I have been taught with my engineer. We'll see him maybe a small clip when he was working at the restaurant as an engineer. So he told me the stones is not like enough. I'm supposed to add 3 trips. Yeah, no pressure on that. Me, I'm just working little. So yesterday I was been here, but literally I'm thinking, you know, yeah, I'll add maybe 2 trips, and then you know, I close the chapter. Sand is here, the same guy that you see right now. I have already exchanged, you know, it's the one who bring I think 2 trips here. 2 years, I think 2 years. I know other people are not happy, but for me, I'm so grateful. So guys, we shall meet on the next vlog. But our cows are grazing right there. So let's do this 20. Hey sister, say hello. Hey, look at that, guys. Say hello.
Hello.
That's my sister. Alright guys, let me check how everything is, and I'm so happy, man. Material have already arrived. My dog is growing big like crazy. You can't tell on the comment section. Look at that, so big. So here I see my mama, and actually guys, I want to make my mama to be very happy, very. Look at that. Hey. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
Yes guys, after we deliver materials, Mama chopping cabbage here, tomatoes. Look, here we are pushing firewood. You see, like this, you push firewood. So that's onions burning on that fire. And also guys, maybe people will ask me, hello baby, you buy for your mama gas. Right now we use the firewood, but when we are maybe in a hurry time, we use the gas, you know, to prepare food quick and fast. You know, we have enough light. You can tell. What a blessed day, man. Wow. So yeah, it's time to make my mom to be very happy. And also, that's my brother's bicycle. I renovate it. I put the brake pads, mud guard, you can see. So I told him to wash this. Muita, let me see my brother. Are you sleeping? Why don't you wash your bicycle? Say hello.
Hello.
Yes, that's my brother. So I told my brother to wash his bicycle, like to maintaining cleanness. Why don't you wash your bicycle?
I was busy. I was at tuition.
Tuition?
Yeah.
Oh, you went to school today?
Yeah.
How do you feel when going to school with the bicycle?
I'm feeling so good because it makes work easier.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And also guys, it's a distance from here to school. So right now he was very happy. Thank you so much, mom, for your love and support. I really appreciate. And right now, as we speak here, it's raining. You can see how the weather condition behave. So we have also water here. Look, you can't tell, man. That's simple life. Look at that. Yeah, so we have water on the water tank right here. Hey, what's up? What's up? My dog is growing bigger, so I wanna take you outside, guys. You know. Yeah. Hey. Okay guys, let's go this way. We have avocados, Man, this is what I'm calling home. This is where I'm calling home, actually. This is where I'm calling home. And I'm so grateful. So guys, I'm heading down. Here we have the borehole. And I'm heading down. There's a house there. I'm going to check, you know. But I probably, my engineer have already, you know, show me a good plan. And you will see, guys. I see the owner down there. But it is what it is. Look at this. You know. Guys, I'm telling you, when I just wake up early in the morning, when I see this toilet, I say, God, thank you. And thank you everybody who's supporting me since day one up to now. You know, right there you're hanging clothes on the fence. Yep. Wow. And I thought I have been planting these trees in a by wrong mistake. So about I reach here. I don't know, guys. Maybe I'll start putting maybe the perimeter wall in the future. I'll start with this place here. So let me check first whether they have did its cleaning inside here, because that's my work. That's my job, is to make sure the toilet is clean. Look at this. So here, sometime I must be reasonable, you know. Let me use it, guys. Let me clean it. It is all it is. Yeah. You know, sometime when it's sunny day, and then when it's rain, that dust interfere with the tiles. You know. Yeah, I'm cleaning, man. Maybe I'll put it my stand here, and then people can see me from a distance. Yeah, man. Yeah. And I'm around and make sure that everything is clean. Very. You know, I'm the guy who, you know, like to maintain cleanness, value education, you know, things like that. You know, I'm the one who feeling the pain, you know, how this structure, you know, take a lot of money, fixing tiles, painting, ceiling board. I feel the pain, man. You know, when I found something are not in good position, I feel like heartbroken. Yeah. So I make sure my mama, she live in good condition, including using a nice toilet, so she can feel comfortable, you know. Yeah. Me, I'm trying to advise young youth outside there. Dreams are valid. As long as you work so hard on your dream, nothing impossible. You know, nothing impossible. Nothing impossible. Very. You know. Although right now, people, they try, you know, to fight with each other. But people should wake up, you know. People should wake up. Yeah. So right now, things are just okay. Maybe by tomorrow, I'll make thorough cleaning. It's been a while. You know, guys, when I'm not around, like supervising here, can't believe it. You can't believe it. Yeah, these sandals. And I bought 2 pairs. Yeah. I see it's raining, but I'll never go down there, you know. So guys, I think this week, to be honest, it's my time. It's time to buy my mama the remaining materials, like, you know, balance stones. A day like this, I went to Migori. I bought some balance stones for the construction, you know. So on Saturday, I think on Saturday or Friday, yeah, I think on Saturday, I was renovating my brother's bicycle. On Saturday or Friday, things like that. Renovating my brother's bicycle, you know. So because of you know, things here and there, my family pushing me, you know. Yesterday I was celebrating with my grandma, giving her soup so she can quick recover. Apart from that, it's according to our culture. So today I just wake up in the morning, I go and look for my engineer, we talk. Wagwan man. We talk, and then I look the guy with the lorry. We brought the balance stones here. As we speak sincerely, even this one here, I will collect it and then transfer from here to further end where there is another, you know, balance stones. So at this time when I bought this, it's around 140 USD, 14,000 Kenyan shillings. But right now, when I bought another one right there today, it goes to 15,000 Kenyan shillings. I swear in God, you know. So also, the sand and balance stones is the same price. I mean, sand, I think sand is 8,000. Also, what next? I think even stones, you know. So my engineer told me to add 3 trips for the stones, because right now you are building the standard house, you know, not like shagala bagala. So guys, this the ballast which we bought, you know, and the same guy which I used, because their tractor a little bit bigger, you know, so I decided to use his tractor or lorries to bring materials. So we want to see for tomorrow's videos. Can I go to there nambu baby? So to mira nyumba. Tandu sirendo songoro kupigibi. Yeah. Tandu sirendo songoro kupigibi. So you can see guys here, these are good quality, very. So my engineer told me to buy this. You know, we have 2 categories. We have grade 1, which have been crushed by machine, this one, and also I think this grade 1, and then we have grade 2 like that. Let me show you guys. We have like this grade 1, 2, and then we have grade 3. I think this is grade 2. Oh no, let me show you. Grade 1 is a small stones, very small, very. The balance stones which have been crushed by, you know. Okay, I found it right here. This is grade 1, this 2, and then when you come at this point, this is grade 3, and then this is grade 4. No, this one here. So if you look on my fingers, I have 3 categories of stones. So I bought this for the, you know, for the combustion or maybe slab of down, and then we just start raising the house. So if you're watching Dave Junior's videos, he bought balance stones for I think grade 2. Thus the cost was 300 USD. I'm telling you, 30,000 Kenyan shillings. But this one here is a half of what Dave Junior's bought for the construction. I'm telling you, I was been there working as a handman, and I know, and I'm telling you, even I think even right now 2 months pass without going to the construction, but I know that one which Dave Junior's bought, it's more expensive. And me, in terms of quotation, I must ask the engineer. So he told me, you just buy this 2 truck, but I did the first truck. So the money for the second truck I used for giving my grandma, soup. Yesterday, if you're watching my video for yesterday, which is on Sunday, you see that part of the videos. And me, to be honest, I washed my hand because for my entire family, all of them looking at me, instead of doing a contribution, but they're still looking at me, pushing me. Oh, you're the one who giving soup. And I say, okay, but I give my great grandma soup, and then I postponed buying materials. Like I supposed to bring 2 trips here, but this 1 trip. So by tomorrow's videos, it's another banger videos. You watch till the end. Look how the way it's behaving. I'm telling you. Wow. So here we made step number 1. Man, I feel so good. I want to make my mama to be proud. I'm telling you guys, little. One day I will find myself, I buy everything, So here I'm remaining with 3 trips right here. And also here, here I finish everything. So for this further end here is some blocks. You can tell right here. It's a lot going up to that way. So you never know on tomorrow's videos. You just wait. But guys, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe. This is the best time to support Hello Baby Official. I'm the guy who climbing the ladder slowly. And also I do YouTube as my job career. In government, in Kenya here, there's a lot of corruption. Without money you can't get job. So me, I take YouTube as a job career. All my time you find me on YouTube. So probably YouTube helped me a lot. Look, implication of YouTube right here, there, right there. Even today when I bought that balance stones, it's pure YouTube. And thank you so much for everybody who's supporting me by watching my videos. Thank you so much. May God bless you. And also, this is why I'm calling home, my grandma home. Wow, thank you so much, Mom. My God bless you for your full support. Wherever you take it, may God add double. I have my solid subscriber outside there who feel pain for my family, not like they wanna to support my family in terms of basic need, building, like right now when maybe I have let me say $10, I save, and then I bought maybe some material that I needed, things like that. We just stand strong and we said, let's go. Me, I'm not the guy like cornering. No. My work is to shoot the videos from A to Z. Right here I see my cousin. Say hello.
Hello.
That's my cousin. Introduce yourself.
Okay, my name is Nebi Prize. Yeah, I'm here with my brother Hello Baby.
Yes.
Please go and check me on YouTube and subscribe to my channel.
Okay, guys. Yeah. Nebi Prize. NEBPRYZE. Nebi Prize. And most of you ask me, please show his name. Maybe I'll tag on Premiere. For my Premiere game, you will see that part. You will see. It is what it is, guys. Oh my God. This is my bike here. It's helped me a lot. A day like this, I went to Mabera, one of the restaurants where my engineer, he started building that restaurant. And I left there. I go with truck. So guys, thank you so much. We shall meet on tomorrow's videos. In case you're new here, please guys, subscribe. Road to 10k subscriber. I really appreciate for your love and support. And also don't forget to check out Felicitas. Please guys, I'm trying to mentor her, you know, step by step. Right now she was dealing with the remaining watching hour. You can watch their videos, you know, choose maybe 3 of the videos you watch. At least you push her, you know. And then when I see her qualify everything, I wash my hand, because at this moment me, I just pushing her the way I have been supportive. Also me, I used to be support, like to, you know, to mentor her. And then I told her, you just do the good videos, also one day it will be, you know, pay off. Look, this chicken here. And also these are memories, toilet, no, bathroom. Look at this. Sometimes it's remind me, it's crazy. Imagine from here to there. I think, as you see right there, my uncle's, you know, projects which I normally supporting them. From here to further end for our toilet right there, imagine, and also bathroom. It's a combination from here. So guys, me, I wanna say thank you so much. We shall meet on tomorrow's videos. Right now it's raining. Look, it starts raining. Look, it's even on my jacket. So I love you from my bottom of my heart, and much blessing to your family, all my family who watching my videos outside there. May God bless you, and also may God bless your family. Guys, bye.